What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Icebreaker roller coaster construction update. And today is the day, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the day we will make our very first full circuit test for Icebreaker. Well guys, that's going to do it for another video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Icebreaker. And good news, we saw our first ever full circuit test run. And not just one, several of them. So hopefully, we're not too far away from an official opening. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.